You just think. It's beautiful. You like it? I'm getting married. Perfect. It's perfect. Look at it.
Hold it up. Let's see. Wow. Nice, huh? Okay.
Oh, you told me I would have put like waterproof makeup.
How am I supposed to tell you?
You like it? Are you cold?
Denise, you did a good job.
Oh, I'm gonna frame this.
Okay. Benicio, hold your sign and turn around so we can see it close up.
Was talking to me.
I know, they were, weren't they? Hold the sign so we can get your picture.
Hold the sign right here.
There we go. All right. Very nice.